These are alderman peas, and we harvest quite a lot, twice a week. This is one harvest that we took today. Far too many to use straight away. So what we're going to do is we're going to blanch them and then we're going to freeze them. So then we can take as many out of the freezer as we want, while at the same time wasting nothing that we spent all that time growing. Let's get started. So obviously, first thing you need to do is shell all your peas. And then use a large pan with plenty of water in and bring it to a boil. Don't overcrowd those peas, they need room to circulate as it comes to a boil. So, a couple of inches from the top and we'll get that boiling. Don't put your peas in just yet. Now that water's come to a full boil, get your peas in. And then bring that back to a boil. Now this has come back to a boil, count down 1.5 minutes. Once they've been boiling for 1.5 minutes, drain them again. And now we need to stop these cooking so we don't overcook them. So we'll fill this bowl with cold water. You can add ice into it as well to make this process quicker. And drain that water because it will get warm really quick, and then just keep refilling it with cold. Once that water stays cold, let them sit in there until they're completely cooled down. They've now completely cooled down, so we'll set them aside and let them drain. Now those peas are completely cooled down and they've dried off a little, we can get them into a freezer bag. If you like to do smaller portions, then just freeze these peas on a baking tray and then add them portion size to whatever you require. But if you freeze them all at once, they will stick together. But when you defrost them, they'll be perfectly fine. So I find the best option is to freeze the whole batch and then just take out what I need when I need it. And transfer them into the bag. I find it easier to put the bag in a jug or a bowl while we transfer them. And now we've got a nice big bag of homegrown peas, and we're just going to roll that to get some of that air out. Like that. And then we can seal it. And make sure you do seal it properly, else you'll have hundreds of peas in the bottom of your freezer. And that's done. That was quick and easy as that. And you've got a nice big bag of homegrown peas ready to go in your freezer. And you can keep doing this all the way through season. Whenever you get a batch of things like peas or green beans, don't waste them. Don't let them spoil and shrivel up in your fridge. Do that and then get them fresh as the day they were picked, straight out of that freezer.